trying to make money without his tools. What else can I take? I've infiltrated the handyman's workshop. But keep an eye out. Sneak up on me. There's a lot of weight in here. My back's starting to go out. It keeps taking my work, so I'm going to take his tools. But before that, I'm going to tell you everything that's in the handyman's tool set to make all that money he's stealing from me. Alrighty, let's start out with this obnoxious yellow tool vest he's always been wearing in his videos. What type of voodoo trickery is this? What the heck is that? That's witchcraft. He's got these tongue and groove pliers. Look at that, it sticks right on the front of the thing. Tool vest, look at that. Woo! You could use these for gripping something and twisting and pulling. What is this thing? A doohickey to keep things from being crooked. Eyeball it. It looks straight. It is straight. You don't need this. Oh boy. Fancy marker. I only use square rectangular pencils. You can do all sorts of stuff with a pencil. Don't use a pen. None of this Mark-Saw stuff. What is this? He's got a rag. He's got a rag. I don't know what you do with that. A screwdriver. Well, that's pretty darn useful. Holy cow, he's got another screwdriver. Two screwdrivers. Moving along here. The handyman's tool vest that we all hate. Yeah, dang. Measuring deep. You know all about these. I teach you things you've never seen before. Made by Robi. Got a robot tape measure right there. A Chinese thing. Moving along. What the heck is this thing? There's some sort of fancy hammer or something. Oh, look at this! Teeny, tiny, itsy wincy. There's a little pry bar. Prying things. Okay. Next item is appears to be some sort of scraping device. Oh, this guy here, he got ourselves a, god dang it! Some sort of a wheel wrench majigger. Things are getting lighter here. I'm loose on my feet. Oh yeah. This one here is for sharpening your pencil. Hey, we're almost done. What? No, we got something else in here. What in the heck is this? It makes noise. Wood finish stain marker golden oak. I have no idea what the heck you do with this thing. Maybe you color your mustache with it or something. What is that? Handyman puts it in his tool vest. Oh, I feel something up behind me. Woo. Oh yeah! Woo! Hammer that like button! Woo! That's a double! Then we do 3 tripler. We gotta get some wrist action in that to get the 3. Hope I don't hurt myself. I got my hat on. Woo! That's 3! Can't do that. We gotta find out what that witchcraft was all about. What is this thing? He carries a magnet in his front pocket. Got a pacemaker. I can't be doing that. Oh boy, do I feel important now. I got the handyman's tool belt on. He's got these things adjusted too far aft for me. What is this? Oh jeez, it's one of them tongue and groove pliers again. Okay, apparently this handyman likes to do electric work. I don't know about that. Okay, I wear my rubber boots. Keeps me safe from all that zapping stuff. Alright, I'm gonna go through this quickly. This thing is heavy. We got a pair of needle nose pliers. Everybody knows still drivers picking boogers. Oh, we got a long skinny screwdriver. Some whirly-doo screwdriver. I have no idea what you do with this thing. Where do you put this? But the sun doesn't shine, probably. What are these things? Another pair of grabbers with these. We got another pair of grabbers. Oh, we know what this is. This is Phillips' screwdriver. Oh, it's one of them fancy ones. Some more. Well, I guess this might be for stripping some wires. We've seen this one before. Oh, made in Taiwan, Bangkok. All right, let's see here. Oh, geez, this one's heavy. What the? Oh, the geez. Some sort of hammer in here. I don't know why he carries these weird hammers. We got more. We got more. Oh, yeah. We got another pencil sharpener. We got these. This here is you wrap your fingers up when you cut yourself sharpening pencils with this thing. Woo! I know all about these things, sir. Hey, you know how far away you are from being a... Come on in, I'm going to show you a tip. Right there. What's that say? It's 3 inches. You know why? That's 3 inches long. You want to measure inside. From here to here. At 3 inches. You guys know what this is? I don't know. Just beat whenever it goes. This thing here, I have no idea what this does either. I'm guessing This says it's a voltage tester, dual range. Here it is, everybody. Oh yeah. Oh, woo! Right there. This is the most important tool. Well, we got here some sort of goopy stuff. We got another one of these things. Got light bulbs on it. I think you plug that in and it tells you what's wrong. There's a little button on it. Holy cow, there's more and more stuff in here. Isn't that cute? There you go. You got little wrenches on the end of that. I wonder what the tape's about. Huh. He's got another pocket back here. What is this thing? Oh shoot. What do you do here? Let's see here. You put one in here. Apparently doesn't work on me. Oh, we got one more. It's my favorite one. Are you paying attention? Look at that. What do we do with this? Woo! Woohoo! Smash it. Hammer that like button.